My name is Atinuke, and I am the author of Brilliant Black British History, a history of people with black skin in England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales, a history that is over 12,000 years old. There were hundreds of Black Britons in Tudor and Stuart Britain. Many of them were Muslims who migrated to Britain from the Islamic empires of Europe and Africa. Along with them came new knowledge about textiles, medicine, maths and navigation. There were black milkmaids, black monks and musicians, black soldiers, sailors and spies, black ambassadors and artists, black grooms and gardeners, black cooks and butlers, black ladies and pirates and more. Ellen and Margaret More were ladies in waiting at the Scottish court. They had servants and horses of their own. Read this book to find out about the history of Black people in every era of British history.